These are the images I have after today's day of recording. Stupidly, I didn't take as many images as I should have, but that's done and dusted now, and I can't really change that. But anyway, we actually started with some guitar, um, and sort of plugged everything in and mic'd up everything. And annoyingly, the condenser worked fine, but the dynamic mic, the 57, just didn't want to work for some reason. We tried different things. We tried um, different cables and stuff, and different mic, and it wasn't working. And so and it just didn't. We couldn't seem to connect up the mics, the microphone to the desk. So in the end, we decided. Well, I decided that I would just DI the guitar straight into the desk, because we'd done it with the bass the day before when we managed to get just sort of like a little bit of recording, but not a full song. So we ended up just DIing the bass, not the bass, sorry, the guitar, into straight into the desk, and that's how we recorded the guitar. We did the same for the bass as well. So actually, this setup, we never actually used, which was a shame. But what's you know what's happened is what's happened. Annoyingly, this took up quite a lot of time trying to figure this out, and so it was probably by about sort of midday we actually started doing some recordings. Um, and so we managed to get both all guitar and bass recordings done, I believe. And then we didn't have a lot of time left, and we had I think it was probably about maybe an hour and a half left. I think it's about like 3 o'clock or so, maybe 2:33. Um, and we hadn't done any vocals recordings, so I quickly set up the vocals. I used an acid oranges like I have here. Um, put a pop filter over the mic, and try to get as many recordings as I could. What I did is I got the lead vocals for for all the songs, so I would have at least a lead vocal. Um, but for some of the songs, I managed to get backing vocals as well. For Haunted, I managed to get um, two vocals in. And for Even If I Tried, I managed to get two vocals in. But for Am I Wrong and The Definition of I only managed to get a single vocal in. And the song does have more vocals in it. Because I ran out of time on the day and couldn't get all the vocals, I didn't manage to do it. So I only had one vocal, annoyingly. But that's sort of life of recording and how it all went down. But that's kind of how everything happened. But I managed to just about get enough recording that I can work with it, and I can turn it into a good track. So even though there was a lot of chaos, and the guitar testing didn't work and we had to DI it and things, I did manage to just about get everything that I needed, which I think was good. So overall, I'd say it was sort of just I'd say it wasn't really a success, but it was sort of a success because I got enough audio. So that's that's what happened.